freestyle that was just
crazy.
Yeah, crazy. That's the word. And that samyang was very spicy. I love
Level
it.
5.
Level 5. Okay, congratulations to all of our participants for doing an excellent job, for having the courage to even participate in that. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause, please. Okay, and now we have a very exciting performance coming up. Yes, thank you so much, sir. We have a very exciting performance coming up.
Alright, are you guys excited for our next performance? Okay pa ba ta? Swimmers, are you there?
One more time, are you still there? Yeah! One more time, Bagyon, are you still there? Okay, better, that's better, they're still there. I can hear them. Okay, this is the highly anticipated performance, which was requested by our amazing agents who couldn't wait to see their leaders in action.
Alright, get ready to groove to the rhythm of Bolt takes center stage as the Bolt takes center stage with an electrifying dance number that will leave you spellbound.
Yes, their dedication, passion, and talent shine through in every move, promising an unforgettable performance that will have you on your feet. God bless you, Sir Diet. You can do it.
Yes, sir. All right.
Okay.
Without further ado, let's give a warm welcome to Bolt as they light up the stage and set the dance floor on fire. Get ready to be blown away by their electrifying performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, the back office leadership team. A round of applause, please.
I can clear my cup, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a day you're smoking and watch my timing. Oh, telling me that you really built and trying to hide it. Oh, talk is cheap, so show me that you understand what I get. Can you go on my mind? Set up my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch myself from me? I don't wanna wake up thinking, take me where I've been before. Can you come on my mind? Set up my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me hard, make me lose my breath, make me wanna, make me sweat, make me hard, make me lose my breath, make me wanna, make me sweat, make me hard, make me lose my breath, make me wanna. Oh, calma. Oh, calma, baby, calma. Oh, calma, baby, calma. Oh, calma, baby, calma. Naman akong bigyan ng dahilan para sabihin ka. Huwag ako
Let's go, girl.
Yep, good to go.
Let's give it up for our Black Office Leadership Team!
Wow, 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 wow! Grabe!
That was what they requested, no? Amazing! Wow, congratulations, ma'am, sir.